Hey guys, what's good? Today I'll be doing a tutorial video on Vegas Pro 17. I'll be teaching you guys the basics and mainly how to use it. Let's hop right into it.
So hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
Hey guys, I'm Daniel. I'm a photographer, videographer, and a content creator. I specialize in video editing. I decided to create this video for those who are at home, they don't have anything to do and would like to learn a new skill. So let's start. So let's open up Vegas Pro. We actually have varieties of editing software, video editing software. Sorry, we have Vegas Pro, we have Adobe Premiere Pro, we have Filmora, we have Adobe After Effects. We have a lot, but the main are Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, and Vegas Pro. So I'll be teaching you guys mainly Vegas Pro. Okay, so this is your timeline. This is called your timeline. This is called your video preview, and this is called your import space. So let's create a file, new. So these are where most of your configurations are going to be done. So anytime you want to edit a video, especially in full HD, like good quality, so you want to come right here and click HD 1080p 50i. Then all these settings are preset, so just come here and click and type 30 frame rates, then click enter. So mainly that's all. So you want to import the video you want to edit. Let's choose this. This video doesn't actually have any audio, so and by the way, we have different ways of importing files. So let me show you another way. Another way you can do the click and drag method. So just go to your video, click and drag. That's all. So your video, it's already here. So let's do the click and drag method. Okay, video. Okay, so click and drag, click, drag. The video is there. So if you want to preview your video before putting it in your timeline, just click on your video, then click on this. It's gonna appear here. You're gonna see it. So mainly you can't really hear anything because this video does not have any audio, so that's why you can't hear anything. You're only gonna be hearing my voice. So stop. So this is actually your master audio, so you can control most of the audio from here. So in our timeline you have two layers. You have your video and your audio layer. So this, yes, so the blue one is your video layer, the red one is your audio layer. So we don't have any audio, so let's leave it like that. So this is your cursor. That's gonna be the most useful tool you're gonna use. So let's bring your cursor back and click play. So I want to cut off that part where you shoot this image. I want to cut it off. So where it's end, we're gonna stop the cursor right there. So let's start from the beginning. Stop, play, play. Okay, so yeah, so it ends there. So you can actually open this particular part to see more. So just on your arrow key, the arrow key up, just and increase it. So down is to reduce, up is to increase. So I normally use this in case I'm editing very large videos. It really helps me, so it could help you too. So this is the point at which, look for the exact point. Okay, yeah, so what you want to do, since you don't want it, just click on it and click S. S means split, and you can see you can drag this away from this, you can drag this away from this. So what you do, you want to delete this, so click on it and on your keyboard select delete, and it's gone. So you just want to drag this. Always remember, don't drag from here, don't drag from here. Always you want to drag from up. Okay, so we have our video. You can actually use your spacebar on your keyboard to play and stop, play and stop. So I prefer using my spacebar. So let's play. For the purpose of this video, I'll only be using 1 minute. So actually you can see the time: 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 50 seconds, 1 minute. So I'll be only using 1 minute. So we want to go to 1 minute. Click your cursor, make sure you press your space bar. Yeah, so you want to open it to find the exact 1 minute. So 1 minute is exactly here. Then you click S, split. Good. So you don't want this, delete, and you're done. So majorly this is the file you want, so it's perfect. I'm gonna teach you guys how to add background music. Go to import media, go to your music, choose the song you want. For your background music, I would always advise instrumentals because they sound better, especially if you're editing a video whereby the person is talking. Instrumentals are the best. So I'm gonna choose, okay, let's choose this.
Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to.
Okay, so this is your audio file. So one more tip: if you're adding background music, make sure you want to drag it under your audio file, never above. Don't drag it above like this. No, this is very wrong. You want to drag it down below your audio file. So you can see this is your audio file, this is your video. So this is your background music. So let's listen to it. Yeah, it's not too bad. Like it. Okay, so you want to reduce your background music. Your background music must never be as high as your audio. So here you can see it shows gain 0.0 decibel. So you want to always reduce it like to minus 7.8. It's perfect. So let's listen to it. Yeah, so it sounds okay. So you want to cut the audio here because the video finishes here. So just go open it wide, get the exact point. S, make sure you click S, split. Okay, drag this away, delete. So you have successfully edited a video. So in case you want to add text, just click on an empty space and you want to right click, you want to select insert video track. Okay, so Then you want to right click again on the empty space and insert text media. This is where you're going to be able to put a text. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so you can see sample text. So let's just put video test. Okay, so you have varieties of options. You can reduce the size, increase the size. I'm gonna reduce it to 36. You can choose any font you want. There are a lot of fonts, maybe up to 60. I'm just gonna choose a font. There are varieties of fonts. I think I like this. Okay, you can put in bold, you can put in italics, however you want. Text color, you can change it, purple, whatever color you want. Let's use red. Okay, then animation, you can animate it. It's gonna be maybe dropping words, so let's see how this is. Okay, so this is your text. So what you want to do, you just want to drag it where you want it to be. So my video starts here, so I'm just gonna put it where my video starts. Okay, so let's see how it looks. Play. Not bad, but okay. It does not really look nice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drag my video file a little bit out. Then I'm gonna leave the text here. So the text is gonna be the first thing that appears. So the text is done, the video appears. Yeah, so this looks nice and clean. So remember, you want to align your background music and your audio file. So align it. Yep, so it's aligned. Okay, so you have successfully added a text with animation. Preview it one more time. Looks nice. So this is mainly all. Video editing is not that hard. Once you practice, I tell you, it's gonna be very easy. So I advise you guys to practice maybe 2 times daily. If you have a laptop, practice 2 times daily. It's not really hard. So guys, once you're through and you have previewed your video and you like it, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna render it, put it into an MP4 file. So you're gonna open wide. That's your decision if you want to do that. So what you want to do, you want to come up here where my cursor is and double tap 1 2, and it's gonna align everything. But if it doesn't align everything, you can just come up here, drag until you get to the end of your video, and that's it. So double tapping is actually preferable because it's actually gets the accurate measurement. So double tapping 1 2. Okay, so you go to your file, then you go to render as. So this is where most of the time it's going to be taken, because to render it normally takes time. But if you have a video less than a minute, it should not take you up to 30 minutes before it renders. So let's see. Okay, so you have plenty presets here. So the one you want to use, you want to go to Magic X AVC/AAC MP4. Remember, there's Magic X HEVC. You want to be careful. You need to choose the Magic X AVC/AAC. So what you want to do, click on it. You have templates, different templates. So you want to go to the Internet HD 1080p by 25 fps. So you guys, you have the option of clicking this toy. This toy is just to put it among your favorites, so in case you want to render again, you're gonna see it. So you just go to filter and go to show favorites alone, and you're gonna see all my favorites. So internet HD 1080p by 25 fps. So you want to click it. We're gonna customize it to make the video a little bit more smooth. So we want to go to the frame rates and we want to change this to 30. Then we want to go to audio, check everything, it's alright. 48, 192, everything's okay. You don't need to go here, go to your project. Okay, so video rendering quality, you want to always choose best. Always choose best. And that's all. So you click on okay. You have the option of saving this, so you don't have to go to the stress of finding it again. So you can just choose. For the course of this video, I'm gonna put it at test 1. So you just save it. So okay, so you can see it's right here. So anytime you come here, you don't need to go up and click internet HD and reconfigure it. It's gonna be here. So you can just add this to your favorite. So the folder name, you want to choose where you want it to be saved to. So videos, you can just create a file or just put it among your videos. Then file name, test 1, save. So one thing I like about Vegas Pro, it tells you the estimated file size. So 94 MB, that's not much for a 1 minute video. Then it tells you how much space you have on your desktop or laptop. So that's pretty much everything. So you want to click render and we wait. So one more thing, approximate time left, it tells you the time remaining. Then elapsed time just tells you the time that's used. Okay guys, I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, the video is done. So you have options of opening it, you have option to see where it's stored, and you have option to close it. So I advise you to open folder to actually see where you actually saved it. Maybe by mistake you didn't save it in the right place. You have the opportunity to see where you saved it now. Okay, so it's here. So let's preview it.
It's all over us, like I always was, like I always was.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys were able to gain some knowledge. Please like, subscribe, share the video, comment, tell me what you guys want to learn, what you want to know how to do. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces.